Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making lemon pork chops with Brussels sprouts and carrots in a crock pot. So this is going to be a real easy recipe to make for you guys and makes a full dinner and pretty easy to cook. Just set it up in the morning before you go to work or go to your errands for the day, and in 6 to 8 hours later your dinner is done and hopefully you're ready to eat it. So let's get going and tell you what you need to do, what you need in order to do this. So first of all, you need 16 ounces, that's 1 pound of Brussels sprouts. And then you'll need 16 ounces of carrot slices or sliced carrots. And then we're going to need a half a cup of water, 4 to 5 pork chops. These have the bone in it. I found that these work really good. A yellow onion for this is going to work really well as well. For that, to get it nice and sliced up. Then we're going to need a lemon. Of course, it's going to be a lemon pork chop. So, and then salt and pepper to taste. And we'll need at least 1/4 of a cup of Heinz 57 sauce. And then 1/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. So we got that right here. Okay guys, well, let's get this together here and give it a try and have it all set up and ready to go. And then we'll have a good taste test and have a good evening meal tonight. Alright, well, I'll see you guys here in a few minutes as I get this started up here. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do is prep our onion and lemon up. So we'll get the onion, the skin off the onion here. Be real careful there as you peel off the skin from the onion. Alright, there we go. Now we're gonna need to slice this onion thin. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this in half here. And still cut it up. Woo. And we'll just sit them over here for now to get them out of the way until we need them for our put them on until we get them in ready for the ready to put them in the slow cooker. Let's finish cutting up this onion here. Alright, now we're going to do the lemon. I'm just going to cut off the ends first. Throw that over there. And then we're going to thinly slice the lemon here. Hopefully you get enough of it to cut there without cutting myself. Alright guys, now we got everything prepped up here, so let's go ahead and start putting it into the slow cooker here. So just give me a minute here and then we'll get that going too as well. Okay guys, so now we got the crock pot here. We're going to go ahead and this bag up and put in the Brussels sprouts there. Okay. Now for the carrots, we'll get them all spread out there. Alright, there we go. Well, they'll come apart a little bit better as they cook, but alright. Okay guys, now we're going to take the pork chops, we're going to lay them right on top here. Maybe put it right there. And, yeah. Alright. There we go. Alright. Now, we're going to do the salt and pepper to taste here. Alright, now we're going to take the onions and we'll just lay these onions right on top here. And this is going to be so good, guys. Whoop. You know what? I forgot to put the water in here. We'll just go ahead and pour that down right in there. Make that in there. Alright, that'll help out with the vegetables, and so hopefully keep everything from burning too. But we're going to put the onions in here. Alright, there is our onions. Now we'll go ahead and set our lemon slices in here. Now this is going to taste real good with the lemons. It works really well with the there. Alright, so there we go. Alright, And we're just gonna take our brown sugar and kind of sprinkle it all over here. Alright, there we go, guys. Now, the last and final thing before we set this up and get it ready to cook is we're just gonna take the A1 sauce, get it moving here, and we're just gonna drizzle it on here. Alright, that looks like about enough right there. A little bit more than a fourth of a cup, but as long as you got at least a fourth of a cup there, put what you like on it. Now we're going to cover this up. Alright, and we're going to sit this on low as we got there. Alright, we got it on low. So we're going to sit this here and let it cook for 6 to 8 hours. And then we're going to see how it turns out. So I'll see you in 6 to 8 hours. I gotta go take care of a few things myself here. So while we're doing that, this is gonna cook and make this house smell really good. So, all right, let's get this going. I'll see you in 6 to 8 hours. Okay, guys, it has been 8 hours. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm going to turn this off and let it start cooling down a little bit, and then we'll come back and give it a taste test. So I'll see you guys here shortly. Okay, guys, let's take a look at this after we've let it cool down. Look at that. That looks so good, guys. We're gonna go ahead and see if I can. Whoop. Well, that pork chop just fell right to pieces there. All right, there we go. Let's look at that. That pork chop just fell apart when I grabbed it up. Let's get that all settled up. Alright, look at that. That looks so good, guys. Alright. There we go. Now, let's go, we'll take that and we'll go ahead and give this a little bit of a taste here and see how it all goes. Alright, guys, this looks and smells so good. Just take a look at it. One more look at that. Again, this is the lemon pork chop with Brussels sprouts and carrots. Boy, and it is smelling so good, guys. I don't know where I'm gonna let's see, there's a piece of the pork chop right there. We're gonna go ahead and cut this a little bit, and boy, and this pork is so tender, it is falling apart on some of it. Yeah. So let's go ahead and give this a try here. Alright, here we go, guys. Oh. A whole piece of bone there. But that pork tastes really good. Got a good lemony flavor. And got the onion to it. A little bit of the Heinz 57 sauce I put on it. And the meat. So tender. Just falls right to pieces in your mouth. Alright, let's go ahead and try some of these Brussels sprouts and the carrots here. And that's a good flavor mix there too. And taste a little bit of the lemon on there too. Makes the Brussels sprouts taste really good. Of course, with the carrots, that helps with it too. Alright guys, again, this was the lemon pepper or lemon pork chop lemon pork chop with Brussels sprouts and carrots, and boy, it does taste really good. Real simple. Just throw the stuff in the throw the food in the crock pot, let it heat for 6 to 8 hours, and you guys got yourself a great dinner. So alright guys, I'm going to enjoy this, and I want you guys to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. And but if you'd take time to comment below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing videos as well. So alright guys, I'll catch you later, and I'll see you on the next video, and enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. Alright, I'm going to finish this up here. Yeah. Good lemon taste.